I think a lot of times kids are just curious about wind turbines, especially kids that grow up around them. If you're in a rural area, there's a natural curiosity. They're huge. I mean, you see them going down the road next to you, and it's just kind of a bewildering, huge piece of machinery. And then you imagine it gets lifted up hundreds of feet into the air and actually does something productive. It's just, it's more of a natural curiosity.
I think it's important for kids to know about wind energy because it is definitely the future. I think the trend at this point, the green energy movement, politically, nationally, you're seeing people talk about it all the time. And the biggest advantage right now for having a career in wind energy is that there's a job market for it. And the market continues to grow.
I love working in wind because it's the most exciting, newest thing out there. And the advantages are that you really get to get out there and see the country. I mean, there's tens of thousands of utility scale wind turbines in this country now, as well as in Canada and Europe and things like that. And if you give the industry a fair shake, there's a very good chance that you're going to get out to see a lot of that. And that's very appealing for people that have a bit of an adventurous spirit. Well, here at LTC, you can get at least 125 feet off the ground. And that'll wake you up in the morning.
I guess the adrenaline you get climbing up 150 feet, 250 feet.
I gotta say, I mean, it's the best office ever. I mean, you're up there, you sit down, you look around, and I mean, you just have the view as if you're in a penthouse in Chicago.
Our rescue tower is our newest, coolest training platform. And what it is the base section of a GE 1.5 megawatt wind turbine. To the first deck, it's about 90 feet tall. And one of the safe things we like to practice here is how to properly approach a wind tower, how to climb up, and God forbid, if there was ever some sort of an accident, how to either rescue someone from the top of it or how to make an emergency descent yourself. And the capstone project for second-year students is actually practicing the evacuation from the top. I guess the short version would be to say that you get to rappel off the top of this if you're in our program.
I'd recommend this program. It's very interesting, very unique. It's an upcoming trade that's coming into play for generations for wind technology. You get to do the climbing, the aspects of that, and learn about the wind turbines.
Of our students that graduated in May of 2011, those that wanted to go into wind, every one of them got a job in wind, so it was 100% placement.
As a result, there is a real need at this point to have more trained technicians. So it makes the college unique in that we're one of only a number of schools that have the program across the country right now.